Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the Galaxy Note 8. The current best phones Samsung has to offer. Both of them have different styles, different uses, and are made for specific people. Making a choice here is completely on you. You go with what suits you the best out of these two. The Galaxy Note 8 is a phablet coming at 6.3 inches, and so is the Galaxy S9 Plus with 6.2 inches with a difference of 0.1 inch. Both of them have Quad HD Plus AMOLED screen with 521 and 529 pixels per inch respectively. However, the display on the Galaxy S9 Plus is supposed to be refined when compared to its predecessor. Both of these phones have gorgeous displays, and one may not easily find a difference between these two phones. Display on these phones are an absolute delight. Media consumption is what these devices excels at. I personally would choose the Galaxy S9 Plus only because of the fact because it has stereo speakers, which the Note 8 fails to provide. However, what can be differentiated is the design. The fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy Note 8 is placed right beside the camera and is almost difficult to reach with a normal grip or for people with small or medium hands. However, that is not the case with the Galaxy S9 Plus. Samsung did listen to what people had to say about the odd placement of the fingerprint scanner, and they did shift it to the center of the phone right below the camera, which is easy to reach. Besides that, both the phones are made up of single piece of glass both back and front with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The Note 8 has sharper corners while the S9 Plus has softer. The Note 8 weighs at 195 grams, making it slightly heavier over the Galaxy S9 Plus weighing at 189 grams. However, when you hold either of the phones, you won't notice any heft at all. The dimensions of the devices are slightly different again, but let's not go into that numbering stuff, shall we? What's common here on both the devices are the button placements and IP60 certification. The Note 8 having an S Pen has a bit of advantage over the Galaxy S9 Plus, but only for the people who use it. The benefits of having an S Pen are many, such as taking down off-screen memos, jotting down notes, or use the pen as a cursor. If you are a note lover, there's only one option left over for you. Just get the Note 8. If you don't use the S Pen at all, then S9 Plus is the way to go. Where the Galaxy S9 Plus excels over the Note 8 is in terms of specifications. Galaxy Note 8 has an older generation processor, the Snapdragon 835, while the S9 Plus has 845. Though both of the phones share same amount of 6GB RAM, but at the end of the day you wouldn't notice much of a difference when it comes to performance on both of these devices. Even the Galaxy Note 8 is a very powerful and capable device. There are some slight refinements in the S9 though. It's a bit fluid than the Note 8, but you'll notice it only when you use both the phones side by side, which may be a rare thing to do. However, the difference you notice is in terms of battery life. The Galaxy Note 8 has 3300 mAh battery while the S9 Plus has 3500. I've tested both of these phones, and yes, the Galaxy S9 Plus will give you a tad bit better battery life when compared to the Galaxy Note 8. Besides that, there shouldn't be any issue. The cameras are where things get interesting. The Galaxy Note 8 has dual cameras, and so does the S9 Plus this time. Both of them have the same 12 dual megapixel cameras with some major changes in the aperture for the Galaxy S9 Plus. The primary camera of the Note 8 has an aperture of f1.7, while the Galaxy S9 Plus has a variable aperture of f2.4, which can get as low as up to f1.5, making it first of its kind. The camera on the Galaxy S9 automatically changes the aperture value depending on the light around you, so that you can get some great quality photos even in low light. However, you can do that manually as well in the Pro mode. Advantages of having a low aperture on the Galaxy S9 means better low light photos and depth of field. Also, the Galaxy S9 has a dedicated hardware for multi-frame processing for its camera built right within itself, so it has slight advantage over the Note 8 again. The telephoto cameras do the same thing, but what I noticed when shooting pictures on both of these phones via the front and the rear cameras is that the photos on the S9 are vibrant and brighter with slightly more detail if compared to the Note 8. Of course, both of them should be side by side to notice that. The photos on the Note 8 are great too, but thanks to the new changes and refinements, the S9 takes a lead here. Where the Galaxy S9 beats the Note 8 again is in terms of video recording. The Galaxy S9 can shoot super slow-mo videos. It can shoot up to 960 fps at 720p, while the Note 8 can do just 240 fps at 1080p. And if you enjoy shooting videos, you will have some good time and fun with the Galaxy S9. If you choose S9, you will get a bonus feature as well, the AR emojis, which I don't think any of you would use. It's in beta as of now, and it doesn't work as expected. So overall, it just comes to personal preference of what functionality you are expecting from your phone. If S Pen is what you need, then Note 8 is the way to go. If not, just get an S9 Plus. Do let me know what you think about either of these devices, and if you are going to buy any of these, let me know why. With that being said, I'll catch you all in the next one.